Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Pokemon Unbound on 3DS. Option 1. QR code installation, easiest. This method uses the FBI Homebrew application to download and install the game directly via your 3DS camera. 1. Open the FBI app on your 3DS. 2. Select Remote Install from the main menu. 3. Choose Scan QR code. 4. Find a reliable Pokemon Unbound CIA QR code, often found on community forums like Reddit or /Pokemon Unbound. 5. Confirm the installation. Once finished, the game will appear as a new gift on your home menu. Option 2. Manual injection.cia file. If you cannot find a QR code, you can manually inject the game using a PC. 1. Download the ROM. Obtain the Pokemon Unbound ROM, usually a.gba file, from a trusted source. 2. Create a.cia file. Use a tool like New Super Ultimate Injector, NSUI, on your PC to convert the .gba file into a CIA file specifically for 3DS. 3. Transfer to SD card. Copy the resulting CIA file to the Chios folder on your 3DS SD card. 4. Install via FBI. Put the SD card back in your 3DS. Open FBI, navigate to File, and select Install and Delete CIA. Option 3. Using an emulator, MGBA. If you prefer not to inject the game into your home menu, you can use a GBA emulator. 1. Install the MGBA Homebrew app on your 3DS. 2. Place the Pokemon Unbound GBA ROM file anywhere on your SD card. 3. Open MGBA on your 3DS and select the ROM file to start playing. Asterisk note: this method may have slightly more lag or audio issues on older 3DS models compared to the injection method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.